Hello guys, good evening. My name is Baba Yahya Mohammed and I'm starting GIS and Data Manager YouTube channel to help colleagues and then other people that are interested in GIS data. So throughout my tutorials, I'll be looking at quantum GIS, the one we call QGIS. That will be the platform we'll be using. That will be the software we'll be using for our geographic data analysis. Then we'll be looking at on the data management side, we'll be looking at Kobo Collect, otherwise also known as Kobo Toolbox. Then we have Google Forms, ODK. Their platform is paid for, but I will try and then maybe along the line get a tutorial to take you people through how to manage forms and data on it. Then Microsoft Forms. So out of this, apart from ODK, which you have to pay before you start, the rest, I wouldn't say they are purely free because looking at Kobo Collect, now they've brought a paid version. If you have a huge project that needs the server to be up and running all the time, then you have to pay for it. Otherwise, if it's just a small project, then you don't have any issue. Then Google Forms have been free. Microsoft Forms too is free. In a nutshell, that is it. Then from here, we'll be looking at those tools in action. Um, there's a bonus tool here called Access Mode that I would take you guys through in case um, those in health, particularly if you want to explore more, then this is what you need. Then, as I said, QGIS is a software which is free, you don't pay for it. So if you want to download the software, you just type QGIS in Google Chrome or any browser of your choice. Then you hit enter. Then it gives you the first option, QGIS. Then they give you QGIS.org. If you want, you could just select the download or download QGIS. They will send you to where we want to go. But I will select the first option. When you click on it, it opens up. Then we have the download option. So with the download option, we have this software is available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. So when you click on download, it gives you a pop-up. So here, this is just for that. What's the name? Donation. It's not forced that you should donate before you download, but if you have, it's good with support. They are doing marvelous things. Okay, so you scroll to the down part and you click on the skip and go to download. So when you click it, it skips and goes to the download page. So the current version is 3.40. Then we have the long term, the one that is stable. They call it stable version, which is before the 3.4, is 3.34. When you click on it, then the download starts. So you see it, I'm not going to download because I already have it already. Okay, thank you. Then we are done downloading. When you finish your download, then you go ahead and install. So I will skip access mode and go to Kobo Toolbox, which we call Kobo Collect. So it's the same thing, you just type Kobo Toolbox. Then the first option, kobotoolbox.org, then you click on it. So when you click on it and it opens up their website, they have somewhere down here, we have a support our mission and we have create an account. So we are here to create an account. I've accepted cookies. So you click to create an account. So when you select create account, we have sign in or create an account. So if you don't have, then you have to create one. But if you have, then you just log in. So we have the global server, then we have the European Union server. Okay, so they've gone ahead to explain. So with the global server, most people use our global Kubo Toolbox server. Get started with a free account today. So this is free, but they have paid versions. Then when we go to the European Union Kubo Toolbox server, the European Union based server is hosted in Ireland. This server is used for organizations that require or prefer data hosting in the European Union. Get started with a free account. So you see that Kobo is providing free services, but with limitation. So let me show you something. So go to pricing at the top. We have the pricing tab. When you click on it, powerful data collection available to everyone. So let's just scroll down. So we have non-profit and others. So with the non-profits, we have community. That's most people. That's the free version. But with the free version self, we have essentials, project form, unlimited, data collectors and collaborators, unlimited, survey submissions, 5,000 per month. The file storage, 1 GB. Online or offline data collection is available. So what the free version doesn't have is doesn't support our open source development. So they have open source development. It doesn't support that. Then group access and teams. The free version doesn't have that advanced features. So let's just go down. So two-factor authentication, single sign-on, Uh, but good to know. There's automatic speech to text transcription. Good, 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 good. Then machine translation of transcription. Good. So 6,000 characters per month. It's far good. Then we have vibrant community forum. Community forum is there all the time. If you have an issue, they just support you. Then we have self-service learning based. Is there? So when you check the block side, they will lead you to what they are talking about. Direct user support, no, they don't have any direct user support. Then we have dedicated organization support, it's not there. Then we have consultation, nope. Preview new features, no, no, no. So this is only available in the enterprise. So if you want to explore more, or if you think your project is in a month you can collect data more than surveys more than 5,000, then this should be your option. You pay this for a month, $159 per month. That should be good. Then we'll go to others. So with the others, we have starter. So with the others, so this category includes private companies, for-profit organizations, and personal use, not associated with an organization. So you pay for $25 per month. Then you get the same services. even lower than the other organization. That's then we have the community most popular. So you get the free version as those within an organization. So let's go back. Then click back. I'm going to use a global server to register an account. So you click create an account. Then you register with your name, whatever details you want. Big values, GH. I have my email address. Um, I have okay. So this takes quite some time to do. So you do that, enter your country organization, then you create a password and you click on create, and you are good to go. So leave it here and continue later. So go. So with Google Form, first if you log into your Gmail account, you click on this dashboard icon here. Then you scroll down to Forms. When you click on Forms, it brings you to the Google Forms. And you start from here. You don't need to do much. Then we'll go to Microsoft Forms, Microsoft Office. So usually with this, you have to be logged into Microsoft Office. You have to be logged in. When you log first, so if you don't have an account, you go and register an account with Microsoft. Then you go to, yes, let's say you just go to search by search forms, uh, form, or you can just type Microsoft soft forms. Then it gives you the first option. You click and it opens up. Because I'm logged in already, so welcome to Microsoft Forms. Collect better data and make better decisions. Choose a scenario and start with well-crafted templates. So let's say it's a survey I'm coming to do. Yeah. So our form is ready. So you do that, whatever the title it is, then you quick. What do you want? The choice. What we'll do this later. Yeah. Thank you. So let me take you through the QGIS. I've installed it already, so it's on my taskbar. So I'm using the current version, the one that is 3.4, as I was describing. I was working on something, so it takes some time to load. Yeah, I think if your PC is not quite good, you might consider looking at some things. Okay, so I was already on a project. So let's do this. Let me close this. Okay. So usually when you download it first, this is what you say. And then you start your project. Okay, so I think for now I'll pause here. Then we'll continue later. Thank you.